Hi everyone. My name is Professor Robert. In today's lesson, we'll learn um, how to solve mathematics equations with exponents. So we'll look at various equations uh, with exponents using the rules for solving exponents. Now, let's look at a number like x to the power 4 multiplied by x to the power 2. This, in an expanded form or format, will look like this: x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x for x to the power 4 multiplied by x squared, which is x times x. So the final answer here is x times x times x times x times x times x, which is x to the power 4 plus 2, which is equal to x to the power 6. Right? So generally speaking, if you have two numbers, x to the power m multiplied by x to the power n, this gives us the final answer as x to the power m plus n. So that's what you have to keep in mind while you're solving these numbers. So let's look at another practical example. If you had x to the power 5 multiplied by x to the power 7, this will equal to x to the power 5 plus 7, and this will end up being x to the power 12, and that would be your final answer. Okay, how about using the product rule? That's if you had x squared and this is cubed, this means this is x squared multiplied by x squared multiplied by x squared, which is equal to x times x times x times x times x times x, which is equal to x to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, which will be, in the end, x to the power 6. And therefore, in general terms, if you have an example of a number x to the power m, and this is powered to the level n, the final answer you get is x to the power m multiplied by n. Just like we saw in this example here, x squared, the power 3 is the same as x to the power 2 times 3, which is x to the power 6. Okay, let's look at another example, and that is x multiplied by y, and this is all to the power 3. Now, this is the same as saying xy, or x multiplied by y, multiplied by x multiplied by y, multiplied by x multiplied by y. Now this will equal to, we look at like terms, x multiplied by x multiplied by x will give us x to the power 3. That is x to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Remember, if a number is just written with a power of 1, we don't write the 1 there. So now next is y multiplied by y multiplied by y will give us y to the power 3. And that is our final answer. So if you have x multiplied by y to the power n, this is equal to x to the power n multiplied by y to the power n. And we can look at another example. 3 multiplied by 4 all to the power 2. This is the same as 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 2 using the general rules we've just looked at previously. So this will give us 9 multiplied by 16. And the answer here will be 144. That's our final answer. Okay, so if you think this lesson has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.